Hi. So, welcome back. In every video, I say that I'm gonna be consistent from now on, and yeah, I'm not. Like, look at me. Like, if I'm so shameful, like this face of shame. Okay, so I am so sorry, you guys, but you're just like I just feel that I always felt that I should like make more videos, but the numbers like always makes me feel like very overwhelmed, like who's gonna watch my video? But leave that shit. I'm not going to whine today. Today I'm going to be talking about a very beautiful topic that I made a video about in Instagram also, but I thought that I should make a very beautiful long length video because it's such an amazing topic. I'm talking about people pleasing. People do have tendencies of being a people pleaser. Like, you know what if people don't like me? तो मुझे उनका काम करना पड़ेगा. I have to do their work because in order to be liked, people need to सी मी एज अ सोर्स ऑफ हेल्प. जैसे कि हम लोग सोचते हैं ना कि हमारे मम्मी पापा का प्यार पाने के लिए इन ऑर्डर टू गेट लव ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स वी नीड टू गेट गुड ग्रेड्स. तो वो जो ट्रॉमा होता है ना वो धीरे धीरे इतना बिल्डअप होते जाता है कि अगर वो बहुत ही एक्स्ट्रा एक्सटेंट में हो रहा है तो बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम लेवल के पीपल प्लीजर्स बन जाते हैं लोग, विच इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग ऑब्वियसली. बट हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द हीलिंग फेज. सो क्या होता है ना, जब हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अब हम पीपल प्लीजर्स नहीं बनना चाह रहे हैं, उसके दो फेज आते हैं. एकदम से हम स्नैप करते हैं किसी दिन कि यार व्हाट द फक एम आई डूइंग विद माई लाइफ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक डिसरिस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनी बडी बिकॉज लाइक I don't fucking care what they think of me because what I think of me now is so pathetic. People don't care about me, and now I also don't care about me. That it's so wrong for me. So that then they snap one day and they're like, no, I'm not going to be a people pleaser anymore. और दूसरा एक स्टेप आता है जिसमें या तो ये वाला स्टेप करते हैं जो मैंने तुम्हें बताया, या तो ये करते हैं कि यार धीरे धीरे उनको ना एट एवरी स्टेप दे गेट लाइक यू नो they get moments of like truths, like okay, this was about and this was not the person that I thought he is, she was not the person I thought she is. So धीरे धीरे they get realities of people and then slowly and steadily they just become the sun. So अब आते हैं इन phases में. The first phase is being the moon. That is the thing that I told you about, being a people pleaser. Now, after they snap, after slowly they realize the realities of people, they are like, you know what? I'm not a people pleaser anymore. They become the sun. The sun. Who is the sun? The confident one, the one who is arrogant, the one who does not take shit of anyone, the one who's like, just disrespect me once and I'm going to just burn the whole kingdom of yours. This is the sun. And then knowingly and unknowingly they hurt people they love or the people who love them. It's like that. So what happens in this phase is that, you know, the sun burns itself also. So in this way they are hurting themselves also. They might think consciously that they are becoming confident, which is a good thing. Obviously the sun is a confident person, but there is a thin line between being overconfident, arrogant, and becoming just confident in self worthy, like sorry, you know what we call it, like the person who knows its self-worth, right? So there is a thin line between those terms, those things. We do not know the line, we do not know the actual line because it's not a physical thing, right? We do not know about all these things. So what happens is that we become a very bigger version of the sun, which is very wrong, which is not so good for your spiritual and personal health. Maybe in the career, in the other realm, you might become a person who is untouchable. People won't disrespect you, and you might think that this is the phase that you feel like, oh my god, people are not disrespecting me, and I'm not going to let them come into my own, boundary, my own house, so that they cannot hurt me again. A question for you: is this healthy? I don't think so. It's not a healthy thing to think about. Even to feel this way, I think it's so wrong. You do not want to become the person who is just emotionally unavailable, because what if, okay, just assume that the whole life you are becoming the sun, you are the sun, and you're like, you know what, people are not coming into my phase, my line, they're just out of your line and they are just not coming into your own boundary, your own wall. So they are not going to be, disturbing you, they are not going to disrespect you. But what if somebody comes? What if somebody comes and just makes you feel the most terrible person in this planet? You will feel the same disrespect that you felt when you were the moon. So the thing is, you have to be the tree and the water. The water flows, the water is steady. And the tree is so beautiful that it gives shade to people who wants its shade. And the people who just wants to walk by, they just walk by. People can come, people can be your friend, people can be a very great friend to you, people can be very close to you. But if they decide to disrespect you, if they decide to not make you feel like you are worthy of anything, they are free to go. So at the end, I just want to say that you have to be a tree and the water. Flow like the water. And one more thing. Okay. People say that just go with the flow. Only dead fishes go with the flow. The fishes who are alive, they go against it. They go each and every direction. So just wherever you want to go, just do it. Do this fucking thing. Because I was scrolling Instagram and I was like, everybody is so aesthetic. Everybody was like being private, and even if they're like they are, trying to be influencers, they have so great aesthetics. I don't have it. Like I was feeling so terrible about myself comparing my own page with them, and be like, why am I not doing the same? Why am I not giving the same content as them? It's not for me. The content that I am doing for myself is for me. The content that they are doing for themselves is for them. That's it. It's not me. My page is me. And it just doesn't matter. The number of followers doesn't matter. The thing that actually matters is like, do I like recording myself and thinking that if even if one person watches it, they will feel good? Yes. So then this is it. This is it. Like if you're watching, then I love you so much, and I hope you achieve great heights, great milestones in your love life, in your career, in your spiritual growth. I'm always looking forward to suggestions. I'm always looking forward to blessings, and I think the universe is with me. That's why I'm glowing right now. I'm literally glowing. Look at me. I'm not even talking in a narcissistic way, because I feel that this internal glow is because of my God, because my God is with me. I think the most beautiful part about my life that I feel is that I'm so grateful about everything, that the universe says like, okay, you are so grateful, take it, just take it. I just feel that I'm so grateful, I'm so grateful. I just get more things when I'm grateful. I just get more things when I am taking care of myself. And that's the most beautiful thing. I get great people, great companies, just because I'm so grateful. I legit had a major friendship breakup this year, like this very month. I'm not sad about it. I just feel that it's okay. It's okay. Like this friendship was not gonna last long either way. Then be it. So yeah, I hope you do well in your life and in the future also. And I hope to be consistent, even though I just always say it, but I just do not. Okay. I will definitely try to post it.